Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Ada1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Ada1M and hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss any of my videos. In this video, I would like to explain how to give the transition effects to our slides. So we'll see how to give the transition effects. So do watch the video till the end. So PowerPoint transition effects. So how to give the various transition effects to our PowerPoint slides? We'll see that. So I have taken the random pictures. So go to transition. So here you can see the file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, right? So click on transition. So I am explaining at a basic level. So go to transition and here you can click on this so that more options are available here. So you can select any of the transition effects from this. So let me select one transition effect and I show the preview of it, how it looks. See here. See the peel off one. So blank it was like this. So no effect. So if I give any transition here, see I have given one transition effect, crush. Let me show the preview of that. So like this. So before slide preview and this preview. Without giving transition effect, how it is, if I change the slide, it is normal. No effect is there. So now I'll give one more. So you can click on this and select any of the transition. I have given one transition effect, curtains, preview. See, it will open like this. And I'll give one more like that. I'll show again preview. See. So like that, different transition effects we can give from these categories. See now, I have selected blinds. I'm previewing it. The preview is that how it looks. So if you do how it looks, I'm showing here. So if when you are doing, you can select all the slides and you can give any one of the transitions so that it will applicable for all the slides. So as I want to show the different transition, I am just showing it here. See. Let me take another transition. Preview like this. So page curl, I am selecting one more like that. So like turning the page. Let me show another. Like that. So one more I'll take. Preview. It will appear like this. The effect will appear like that. In this way, the next slide will come. So like this, you can give different transition effects to your slides by clicking on transition and going to more and selecting whichever transition effect you want. The next slides will be changed by this effect. So you can give any of the transition effect which you like. So like this, you can change the different slides by giving the transition. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you all.